When we think about the Ethernet address, so there remains the network interface card address. So any Ethernet card which is being fixed to connect the Ethernet cable is called network interface card, and which is fixed inside provides the station with a link layer address, and that address is 6 bytes, that is 48 bits, normally written in hexadecimal notation with a colon in between, and this is also called as Ethernet MAC address. And we also have multicast and unicast addresses. So what are multicast and unicast addresses? So a source address is always unicast. A frame comes from only one station, and the destination however can be unicast, multicast or broadcast. Unicast means it is one to one, multicast means one to many, whereas broadcast means one to everybody in the network. So how do we distinguish unicast from multicast? If the least significant bit of the first byte, so if the last bit is uh, in the destination address is 0, then the address is unicast, and otherwise it is multicast. So if it is 1, it is multicast. So this is how we identify unicast and multicast address in case of any frame. So the least significant bit of the first byte, and the broadcast destination address is the special case of the multicast address in which all the bits are 1. So if all the bits in the destination address is 1, then it means that all the computers in the network will receive that. So now let us see example of such addresses. So let us take A. In this address, to find the type of address, we need to look at the second hexadecimal digit from the left to denote the least significant bit. So if it is even, so the here it is A. So when it is A, 1010. So when it is 1010, we have to look at this. So if it is even, so when it is 10, the address is unicast, and if it is odd, so when it is odd, it is 1. So the last digit is 0, this is 1. And if all the digits are 1, it means F. So A, it ends with 0, and 7, here 7 ends with 1, and here it is F, sorry, this one is F, and if all are ones, that means it is a broadcast address. So this is how by the destination address, Ethernet address of the destination address in the frame, we can identify whether it is unicast, multicast or broadcast. Now in this example, show how the address is sent out online. So the address is sent left to right, byte by byte. So during the transmission, how does the data flow? So the bits are being sent. For example, when it is going to be 1110, so from left to right it is being sent byte by byte. For each byte it is sent right to left, bit by bit. So which is left? So it is going to be 7 4. So 7 is being first sent, so 1110, and 4 is going to be 0010.